Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Shouldn't Steal from the Dealership." Let's get into the video, man.
See two cases of suspects who caused trouble at car dealerships, starting with this man who tried stealing a car.
Get down in the car. Come on. So, what's going on?
With what?
What was you doing?
I was touching. What? I was trying to get in the car. I was just looking in the car.
Are you looking to buy?
Yeah. That's what I was looking at. I was just looking at the interior. That's it.
Where's your car located?
That's literally it. Why would I sit on try to steal a car on the side of the road? And you know what I mean?
Sidewalk just west of Ford on 15th Street, northbound side of 15th Street.
Yeah, man. I wouldn't even try to do some shit like that. Like, try to steal a car off the fucking man's like.
I mean, that's what That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Come on, bro. Like, you really think I'll do some dumb shit?
Somebody called it in.
Yeah, I'm getting tired of these calling it in. And
Yes, we think you would do some dumb stuff like that. Yes, you're absolutely right. Do you really think I would do something? Yes. Yeah. We ain't gonna judge a book by its cover, but in this case, yep, we're gonna judge a book by its cover. Yep.
Bro, it's not nothing against you, man. I'm getting a little upset with like the one officer's cool shit, man. Like you're pretty cool too, man.
I'm trying to, man.
I know you're trying to. I can tell.
1932 hours.
But I have no record. I have nothing. Like I'm very smart. I work cybersecurity, all that shit. Like,
yeah, well, come here, man. Put your hands behind your back.
Whoa.
Put your hands.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
Right.
I said put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Put your hands.
What did I do?
Behind your back.
Yo, what did I do?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Help! What are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
What are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back. You're fixing to get tased. You're fixing to get tased. Do you hear me?
Listen, that's why they don't want me to be the officer, man. Listen, I'm gonna give you 2 times. 2. If I gotta tell you a 3rd time, you're not gonna like it. You ain't gonna like it. Put your hands behind your back. Oh, no. I sound like a rarist. What I do? Okay. I'm gonna tell you twice. Put your hands behind your back. No. What did I do? What? No. Okay. Boom. Oh, yeah. It's lit now. It's lit. Or taser or whatever. You gonna comply. You gonna start to act right. You don't want to act right? We gonna get you to act right. Don't worry about it.
Fighting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Don't tease me if you put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. It is, bro.
Get up.
Roll over. Get up.
I was letting you do it. I was doing it. Get up. Stop. I'm gonna talk to the officer. Help! For what? I didn't even do nothing. What did I do though? What did I do?
I'm resisting.
Bro, what did I do?
I'll tell you now. I'll tell you to chill out. I will make you come smack. I'll tell you to chill. You need to stop.
All right, I'm done.
How done are we?
I don't know.
How done are we?
We're done.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Everything's going to be explained to you. But you got to stop acting like this.
Yes, sir.
If you act back up again, we're going to go right back down here. This is going to be worse. We're going to get worse and worse and worse.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please get off. Please.
Okay.
Please.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll turn you over.
I'm sorry.
Sit up.
I'm sorry.
Hey, sit up. Okay. You ready to get up? Yeah. Go back. Get the back of this police car. Anything on you dangerous?
No, sir.
Okay, no search.
It's on look.
You sure?
Don't give me to him.
Hey, relax. Hey. Go away. Go away. Go. We don't need you. Go away. Go away. We don't. We're going away. Go away.
Come back, no, come back. Come back. Come back.
Hey, stop. Move it. If I want your opinion, I'll let you know. Get the out of here. Go. Act like you know what you're talking about. Get out of here. Now we got to. What we don't want to do is hobble them inside the car. Better to hobble them outside the car. Okay.
Yo, they beefing with each other? Oh boy. But you know what it is though? When you got too many officers involved, that makes the paperwork difficult. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure there's another underlying issue or whatever the case may be, but why they're beefing. But the reason probably why he's waving them off, and I would do the same thing. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's one guy. We got our group of whatever, it was like 4 or whatever their crew was. They can handle it. Their group of 4 or 5 or whatever. But with everybody else getting involved, that paperwork becomes real iffy. Like, you feel me? Because it's just too many moving parts.
We're inside the car.
Everybody want to be a part of the action, but not this time.
But you're going to jail. I don't want to repeat the shoes.
Yeah.
But we don't want a problem.
Yes.
So when we do this, you or you,
I'll take it.
bigger guys, need to pin down the top.
On stomach or back?
Do what?
On stomach or on his back?
Well, just keep him pinned down on multiple points, okay? Watch his respiration. Watch his breathing. Okay? All right?
If he's on his stomach, he won't be able to kick hardly. So try to get him on his stomach.
Well, if you can. I don't know if he'll be able to. Okay? I'm going to try to pin the legs. Okay? I'm going to try to pin the legs. Tell you what, you and you do that. I'm going to try to pin the legs. You know how to do this? It's just like it's been forever. But okay. Yeah. You pin the legs, and then I'll try to hobble. Okay? On the count of 3. So lift it up. Lift it up. Go ahead.
Hey, listen, man.
Please, dude.
Listen, dude.
Help!
Don't bite me, motherfucker.
Yeah. Trying to get out of your way.
I know. Twist it up. That ain't it.
No, it's like and it's almost over. You just need to calm down.
Please stop this already.
Wait, you need to calm down. I tried to talk to you before, and you got all crazy.
I got it.
I think you do have it. I think you're doing what you want to do.
No.
I think that's the problem. Right.
No. I'll do what you want. I'll do what you want. Please don't beat me up.
I'm not gonna beat you up, boss.
Please
Stay
stay
calm.
calm.
Make you safe,
Stay
okay?
calm.
Just trying to keep you safe.
Deep breaths and relax.
Pull it back. What are we doing now? Okay. All right. Good job. All right. Here you go. It's like last time. I'll follow you up there.
Did you have traffic?
Hey, buddy.
What? Yes, I can hear you.
That ain't my part. I'll have that 13.
You don't have to apologize to me. What I want you to do is I want you to calm down. I want you to sit back and relax and take some deep breaths. Do you understand me?
The suspect was charged with burglary, resisting an officer with violence and battery. On a law officer, he is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Honestly, Sarge did a great job. Sarge did a good job, man, of organizing everything. Yeah, listen, you two do this. I want you to do this. I'ma do this. Boom, boom. You 4 squads, back up. I don't need y'all. You, boop, 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 boop. That was a good sergeant. I ain't gonna lie. That is a good sergeant right there, man. I see why he made sergeant, for sure.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.